ThinkPad docking stations enhance your laptop's connectivity, but don't have power buttons for a full shutdown. They're designed to power on and off with your laptop. To turn off a dock, you're essentially cutting its power supply, which requires a specific process to prevent data loss or hardware damage. Most ThinkPad docks rely on the laptop's power state, entering a low power mode when the laptop is off or disconnected. Remember, improper disconnection can lead to issues. As of 2025, Lenovo has refined its docking station lineup with features like Thunderbolt 4, USB 4 compatibility, and enhanced energy efficiency. Newer firmware updates allow partial shutdown modes, reducing standby power consumption via Lenovo Vantage software. First, on your ThinkPad, save all open files and close applications to prevent data corruption. Second, safely eject devices. Right-click the notification icon and select Safely Remove Hardware, or use Lenovo Vantage. Third, put the laptop to sleep or hibernate using the power button or Control-Alt-Del. Fourth, gently unplug the USB-C or Thunderbolt cable from the laptop. Fifth, for docks with external power, disconnect the AC adapter from the dock and wall outlet. Sixth, verify shutdown by checking Lenovo Vantage for disconnected or powered off. If issues persist, restart the laptop without the dock. For optimal energy savings, ensure you have the latest firmware updates via Lenovo System Update to enable deep sleep mode.